rainbow.
Ooh.
That was your phone.
Yeah, Mama's phone.
Wait. They like her one? We don't want to get two for one for everyone.
Right there. Yeah, wave your hand. This is the Pixel 9. Box looks very flimsy and kind of not fun as their previous boxes, but who cares? It's about the thing inside, after all, not the thing on the outside. What is it? It's what's on the inside, not what's on the outside. Okay. Some distractions from the wife. This is going to be my wife's phone, but she's given me the liberty. Do I have the approval? Barely. Okay, she's giving me the liberty to unbox it for her, so we are going to go ahead.
Come look over here.
We are gonna give her the liberty of unboxing it for her. So, simple unbox. Saw that some YouTubers are having issues doing this, but it looks pretty simple, I think. Alright. And ooh-wee. Looks pretty good. What do you think?
Cute.
Yeah.
What do you think, Gigi?
Yeah, I think it looks good. All right, let me go ahead and take this out. Man, this actually feels very premium. Not even touching the phone yet, and it feels really nice. So we're gonna put that there. So of course you've got your phone. I'll put it to the side for now. And yeah, it's fully aluminum, or as the British will say, aluminium. Now, one cool thing I like about this is they hide the paperwork under the top. You don't really need this anymore, so it's kind of nice to just chuck it to the side after you open it. But what's important, of course, Google has stopped shipping their phones with their charging cable, the charging adapter, and you now just get a simple phone with a wire. They might as well not even send the wire anymore, just send you the phone. But Google, don't take my idea, because everyone will probably hate me for that. But yeah, so you only get that. You get some paperwork, of course, in here. As I said before, the SIM eject tool is in here also. So yeah. Now this feels very, very nice. This is pretty good. There's a little speck on it from having a daughter. It's a glitter. Impressive. This is a first impression, and I am very impressed. I'm gonna have the wife try it real quick. Come try it, Miss Wife.
I like it. Sturdy.
Yeah.
Matches my ring.
Oh yeah. She's got a rose gold ring, so kind of tiny bit of a ring. She'll scratch it with that diamond very soon.
Yeah, probably.
Your case, the case and screen protector isn't coming in till next week. So this is pretty nice. It almost feels like an iPhone. What do you think? Feels like an iPhone?
I don't know what an iPhone feels like.
Ah, that's true. We're an Android family. We don't really know what those feels.
Kind of look like one.
Yeah, it's an amazing feel, and the notch, I don't even know what to call this, on the back is not as big as I thought.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better.
It looks very pleasant, and it feels very nice. So all around, very great impression. I can show you a comparison with the Pixel 7.
This was a joke.
Oh, and she says this is a joke, but she got this one.
Junk.
Oh, junk, sorry. Junk joke, I guess you could. This was still an iconic design. This was a very well-designed phone, but this just kills it. It feels more luxurious in the hand. Like, it feels like a piece of jewelry, almost.
Probably use it without a case too.
Yeah, you can definitely.
It's not slippery.
A good way to describe it is, since the sides, so compared to the Pro, the sides of this one is brushed. It's in a brushed aluminum, and it's got a matte feel to it, so it's very sticky in the hand. It almost feels like when you're holding it, you're not going to drop it. Compared to the Pixel 7, that was very plastic, glassy feel that was very slippery in the hand. This one feels incredible. This is pretty nice. Man, maybe I should have ordered the Pro XL instead of the Fold. Well, we'll see what the Fold feels like, but so far, I am very impressed with this feel. I haven't even started yet, but you've got a little bounce. The haptics, as always, Google has somehow managed to master the haptics, and it feels a little better than the 7. We didn't have the 8. We didn't upgrade that year, but this is nice. Man, the camera looks great. Everything just feels very smooth on it. I don't know what else to say. Look at this. They also make it with every new Pixel coming out. I don't know, since for as long as I can remember, when you first turn on the screen, the colors always match the skin of the phone. So that's a very nice touch by Google. I'll be doing more review as time comes along. I'm probably gonna wait on the Fold and do a comparison between the two, but then we'll do a nice review of each phone. I promise this time I'll do it. I keep forgetting to do reviews, but this is fantastic and very satisfying. So if you're on the fence about it, you don't know how it's gonna feel. One really cool thing that someone mentioned online before I go, so it's squared off here, not fully squared off, but it's squared off here, and then when you get closer to the screen where the metal meets the glass, it's more arched, or it's more rounded on that section, so it sort of feels very nice to hold on to. This is a very impressive design. As always, this is a Pixel, so the power button's on top. I prefer it that way. That's all I've known, so I like it that way. But this is a great build, Google. I give it say an 8 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I don't know what else they could do to make this better. Maybe the Pro feels a lot better. We'll find out. So stay tuned for more. This was just an impression. I want to say more about the phone, but I'll leave it as an impression. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more.